So now welcome once again students. Here I am going to explain certain questions which are from the previous exercises in which some of the students they were having the doubt. Now here I have written the question number second of exercise 2.4. A positive number is 5 times another number if 21 is added to both the number, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are number? So here this question is based on the two numbers and the relation is given between both the numbers, that one of the number is 5 times the other number. So here I had taken let the first number is x. I had taken one of the number is x. So let the first number is x. So according to the question here it is given that a positive number is 5 times the another number. So if one of the number is x, then second number will be 5 times of this. So it will be 5x. So here I had taken let the second number is 5x. So here I had taken both the numbers. Now, in the question it is given that if 21 is added to both the numbers, if you are going to add 21 in both the numbers, then what will be the resulting number? So here I have written, if 21 is added to first number, it will be x plus 21. And if 21 is added to the second number, what is the second number? That is 5x. Then the second number will be 5x plus 21. So here I had added the 21 in both the numbers, so the numbers will be x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Now here in the question it is given that after adding 21, what we are going to get? It is given that then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. It means after adding 21, one of the number will be 2 times the other number. So here according to the question, one of the number, that is 5x plus 21, that will be twice the second number. So 5x plus 21 equal to 2 into x plus 21. So according to the question, one of the number is 2 times the other number after adding 21. So here I had made the equation. Now you need to solve that equation to get the value of x. So here 2 into x plus 21 in the right side. So 2 into x, 2x, and 2 into 21, that will be 42. So 2x plus 42. Now I am going to transfer this 2x in the left side and this plus 21 in the right side. So 5x and 2x will be transferred in the left side, it will be minus 2x, and 21 will be transferred in the right side, it will be minus 21. So here 5x minus 2x equal to 42 minus 21. Now 5x minus 2x, that will be 3x, and 42 minus 21, that is equal to 21. So x equal to 3 is multiplied here, so 3 will be divided in the right side, so x equal to 21 by 3. So x equal to 7. So here what is the first number? First number is x, so first number will be 7, and second number is 5x, and x value is 7, so 5 into 7, that is equal to 35. So the first number is 7 and the second number is 35. Now here I am going to explain the question number 3 of exercise 2.5. Now in the question number 3, one linear equation is given there and you need to solve it. So here in the left side of the linear equation you are going to get certain value as well as in the right side. So I am going to send the variable term in one side and numerical value in the other side. So if I am going to transfer minus 5x by 2 in the left side, here it is minus 5x by 2, so it will be plus 5x by 2 in the left side, and here plus 7. If I am going to transfer it in the right side, it will be minus 7. Yeah, it can be written as minus 7 by 1. So I had transfer the, I had sent the value, similar value in the other side, and now I am going to take the LCM. Now in the left side, what is the LCM of 2 and 3? Here 2 and 3 LCM will be 6. So it will be x upon 1. If there is no any value, so it will be x upon 1. So 6 upon 1 equal to 6. 6 into x, 6x. 3 2 is 6. 2 into minus x, 8x minus 16x. And 2 3 is 6. And 3 into 5x, that will be 15x. Equal to in the right side again, what is the LCM of this 6 and 1? That will be 6. So 6 1 is 6 and 1 into 17, 17. And 1 up 6 upon 1 equal to 6, 6 into 7, 42. So after taking the LCM, I am going to add these value. So in the left side you will get 6x plus 15x minus 16x, that is equal to 5x upon 6, equal to 17 minus 42, that will be minus 25, minus 25 by 6. So x equal to minus 25 by 6 into 6 by 5. If I am going to transfer that 5 by 6, here it is 5 by 6 is multiplied here, so it will be divided in the right side. Here you will write its reciprocal, so it will be 6 by 5. Then x equal to here 6 and 6 is going to be cancelled, and minus 25 upon 5 equal to minus 5. So value of x is minus 5. So the answer of this question is x equal to minus 5. Now I had written the question number 5th here. In the question number 5th, 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Now you need to transfer the variable term in one side. So here it is minus t. So if I am going to transfer it in the left side, it will be plus t. So it can be written as plus t upon 1. Now I had written the bracket 3t minus 2 upon 4, that is the 3t minus 2 divided by 4. 4 is the denominator of whole the value. So I have written that in the bracket 3t minus 2 upon 4, and similarly I had written 2t plus 3 upon 3 in the bracket. Now what is the LCM of this? 4, 3 and 1. What is the LCM? LCM of the 4, 3 and 1 will be 12. So I have taken the LCM 12. Now 4 3 are 12, then 3 into 3 t minus 2, and here it is minus, so it will be minus here. Now 3 4 are 12 and 4 into 2t plus 3, and 1 12 plus 12, 12 into t 12t, it is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, now 3 into 3t 9t, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, and minus 4 into 2t minus 8t, minus 4 into plus 3 minus 12, and plus 12t upon 12, it is equal to 2 by 3. Now if you are going to add 9t minus 8t, 1t plus 12t, 13t minus 6 minus 12 minus 18 upon 12 equal to 2 by 3. Now you need to go for the cross multiplication. So here 3 will be multiplied in 3t minus 18, and 12 will be multiplied in 2. So if you are going for the cross multiplication, that will be 3 into 13t minus 18 equal to 2 into 12. Then 3 into 13t equal to 39t, and 3 into minus 18 equal to minus 54 equal to 2 into 12, 24. Now I am going to send minus 54 in the right side, so it will be plus 54. So 39t equal to 24 plus 54. Then 39t equal to 78. Then t equal to 78 by 39. Yeah, t equal to 2. So the answer of the question number 5 is t equal to 2. Now here it is the question number 6th, that is given m minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. So here I am going to take the LCM in both the side. Here m can be written as m upon 1, and here 1 can be written as 1 upon 1. So in the left side, what is the LCM of this 1 and 2? That will be 2. Then 1 2 is 2, 2 into m, 2m. 2 1 is 2, 1 is multiplied in m minus 1, you will get the same. In the right side, what is the LCM of 1 and 3? That will be 3. Then 1 3 is 3, 3 1 is 3, minus, and 3 1 is 3, 1 into m minus 2, you will get the same value. So after this you will open the bracket. So here you are going to get the negative sign. So if you are going to open the bracket, the value of the bracket sign will be changed. So here it will be minus m plus 1, as well as in the right side also here it is minus before the bracket. So sign will be changed in the bracket value. So minus m plus 2. Now 2m minus m plus 1 upon 2 equal to 3 minus m plus 2 upon 3. 2m minus m equal to m plus 1 upon 2 equal to minus m 3 plus 2 5 upon 3. Now here I will go for the cross multiplication. So 3 will be multiplied in m plus 1, and 2 will be multiplied in minus m plus 5. So if you are going for the cross multiplication, 3 into m plus 1 equal to 2 into minus m plus 5. Then 3 into m, 3m plus 3 into 1, 3 equal to 2 into minus m minus 2m plus 2 into 5 plus 10. Now I am going to transfer the variable term in one side, so minus 2m is transfer in the left side, it will be plus 2m, and plus 3 is transfer in the right side, it will be minus 3. So it will be 3m plus 2m equal to 10 minus 3. 3m plus 2m 5m, and 10 minus 3 that will be 7. So 5m equal to 7, then m equal to 7 upon 5. So it is the answer of the question number 6 of exercise 2.5. So thank you students.